Hi, welcome back to another session of Anubhavshaphotography. In this session, we are going to talk about how to create glowing skull portrait effect in Photoshop. And we'll quickly see how to convert this to this. Glowing skull portrait effect is a very special technique in Photoshop. By using this technique, you can convert your images into the glowing effect of a skull and it really looks like very artistic. So let's jump into Photoshop and start the magic. Hello wonderful people, this is Anubhav Sharma from Anubhavshaphotography. Without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, first thing first, let's open Photoshop and open the model image. So for this session, we are going to use this particular model image which I downloaded from unsplash.com. So let's start quickly. First of all, we'll just double click on the background and convert it to the layer. Make a level adjustment layer and adjust the sliders like this. Select the brush tool. Make sure foreground color is selected as black. Select soft round brush. Decrease the opacity and just apply it with the flow of 50-60%. Alright, just create one color balance layer and select its adjustment like this for mid-tones and for highlights. You can adjust these color balance anytime, so we are leaving it as it is right now. Now just bring our skull texture on the canvas. We are going to use this skull texture for this image. You can Google it. If you don't get it, don't worry and don't waste your time. Just message us. We are going to send all the details to you right away. You can just do right click, wrap to adjust it. Once it is done, just click on the skull and create a group above to it. Press Command or Control and just simply click on this thumbnail once, so the selection will be highlighted. Click on the masking, delete this layer. Inside this group, just make another layer. So this particular layer inside the group. Just click here and select any color you want. Select the brush and click like this. Once it is done, just click on this particular layer and press Command I to invert. You can select this particular layer and just press Command T to transform and you can drag it inside it a little bit. You can make one masking layer on this particular layer. Make sure foreground color is black. Select the brush and just remove unwanted content which you don't want. Just create one other layer. Drag it to the top. Select the same color. Increase the brush. Decrease the opacity. And just do few strokes like this. Go to blending mode, select to the screen. Decrease the opacity. Select another layer, select this color, little dark, press OK. And just do few strokes like this. Change blending mode to overlay and decrease the opacity. Now just zoom it. Now we are going to create one particular reflection on the eye for this yellow light. Decrease the brush, select the same color, just create another layer, select the same color, opacity somewhere 100%, select the brush and just make like this. Change the blending mode to make another layer and do the same action. And this time just make it to screen. Decrease it. Perfect. Selecting both the layers, making a group, calling it eye reflection. Do Command 0 to fit to the screen. Now this is done. Just create another adjustment layer of selective color. Go to yellow mode and adjust the sliders as per your requirements. Just bring the stars image on the canvas, drag it as per your requirements, press enter. Change its blending mode to screen. Do Command L to adjustment. Do Command L for the levels and adjust them a little bit. Press OK. Press Command U to come to hue and saturation. Check on colorize and just select any yellow color. Select the masking. Do Command I to invert. Select the brush. Make sure foreground color is selected as white. Make sure opacity is 100%. Increase the size of brush and just click wherever you want to reveal this particular effect. Perfect. Create one adjustment layer for color balance and adjust it if it is required. Let's do Command Alt Shift E to make a composite layer and go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter. Come to Effects and select little bit Vignette. Press OK and perfect, and we'll quickly see what beautifully we have achieved with it. We started with this image and we have achieved this wonderful results. Before and after. Before and after. This is so amazing. Enjoy and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Alright, so as we have seen that how wonderfully and effectively we can achieve glowing skull portrait effect in Photoshop. By using this technique, you can achieve wonderful results. And in case you find any difficulty using Photoshop or photography, you can go to our website www.anubhavshaphotography.com, or you can comment in comment section down below. And if you have not subscribed my channel right now, please go and subscribe and hit the bell icon. We are coming back with a fresh dedicated episode for you. Meanwhile, stay fit, stay healthy, be happy. This is Anubhav Sharma from Anubhav Photography signing off.